Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to turn off dark theme in Google Pixel 7a. So very simple, open your menu, just swipe up the screen, then you will get the menu, then open settings application. You can see the bottom of the page, okay? And you can see option of display and touch, open that display and touch. And you can see option of dark theme. You can simply click on that button to turn off the dark theme, and you need more options. Then you need to click that title or that letters, then you will get standard and expand options. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.